Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make double line border to image in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show make double line border to image. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for the image picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for insert option. Now resize your picture. Now going to the picture border option, then select from any color, then again click for page border picture border option. Now click for width option, then click for more lines option. Now select from compound type option. Now select from double line. Now click for OK. That's it. Now you can see then I show double line border to image in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.